Welcome to another episode of Street TV, and I got an update for you on the Eric Holder case, the guy who's accused of killing Nipsey Hussle. Eric Holder had a court date yesterday, May 11th, 2021, and guess what? He didn't show up. That's right, Eric Holder did not show up to his own court date. Why? Because he refused to leave his cell. So both attorneys, the defense and prosecution, agreed to have another court date this week on Friday, and we're going to see if Eric Holder decides to come to court on Friday. But we have a couple new developments in this case. Now, I've been telling you guys for weeks and weeks that the trial was absolutely going to happen in 2021. This is a case that goes back to 2019. It's been 2 years plus. We've had COVID-19, and that's one of the reasons for the delay. And it's not unusual that someone is awaiting trial 2 years later for murder. There are people in the county jail right now that have been sitting there for 3 years, 4 years, and 5 years. So just because he's been sitting in there for 2 years, don't think that there's anything strange or unusual going on. This is quite normal in the Los Angeles County Jail. There are over 20,000 inmates, and there are hundreds of them waiting trial for murder, and coronavirus has definitely delayed this case. But we have some new developments that are going to create further delays. The first development is that there's a new judge on the case. Judge Robert Perry, who's been sitting on the bench since 1992 in downtown Los Angeles, has retired. He has been presiding over this case ever since the beginning, and in March of 2021, he has an official retirement date, and he is no longer on the case. He has been replaced by Judge H. Clay Jackie II, so he's brand new. But changing judges is not really going to hinder the timeline on this case. Another development is probably going to add more time to this case, and that is Eric Holder has a new attorney. This is his third attorney. Remember, he had Christopher Darden in the very beginning, and then he got Lowen Young, who was the Los Angeles public defender, and she has been dealing with this case since almost the beginning because Christopher Darden only had the case for a short time. So almost 2 years, Lowen Young has had this case. But guess what? Lowen Young is no longer Eric Holder's public defender. And the reason why is because she got promoted to a judge. The former public defender is now a judge in the Compton courthouse. And in late March of 2021, Governor Gavin Newsom appointed 18 new judges statewide and 4 new judges just in Los Angeles County. So I know a lot of people are going to be thinking that something unusual is going on here. So for all you conspiracy theorists who are going to start speculating on what's going on, getting promoted to a judge is nothing unusual. In fact, in order to become a judge, you have to complete an extensive judicial application, which Lowen Young obviously did at some point in the past. A lot of public defenders, a lot of deputy district attorneys who want to be judges have to fill out this application, this extensive application process. And then they wait. They wait till their name is called. They wait till the governor decides to appoint new judges. And because there have been a bunch of judges retiring, of course, the governor has to appoint new judges. So in March of 2021, Gavin Newsom appointed 18 new judges, and Lowen Young was one of them. So for all you conspiracy theorists out there that think that all of a sudden they want to remove her from the case because she's doing such a good job, and for whatever reason, that all of a sudden they decided to just give her this promotion out of nowhere, that's not how it works. So I hope that all you people out there that just think of every little thing in this case as part of a conspiracy will just be patient and let the case just, continue. But changing defense attorneys is going to create another major delay. The new defense attorney, his name is Aaron Jansen. He's also a public defender. He needs time to review all the evidence. He needs time to go over all this discovery. And there's at least 4, maybe 5 5-inch binders of discovery that he has to go through that he has no information on. He has no knowledge of what's going on in this case. So basically, it's like starting from zero. It's starting from the beginning for the defense. The prosecutor, He's still there. He's ready. I'm sure he's ready. He's had this case since the beginning. But the defense attorney is going to need several weeks, possibly several months, to go over all the discovery and to get ready for trial. So that's all I have for the Eric Holder case. New judge, new defense attorney, another delay, several weeks, possibly several months. If I'm the new defense attorney, I need at least 4 to 6 months to go over the discovery. So that's going to take us into late 2021, possibly early 2022, before Eric Holder goes on trial for the murder of Nipsey Hussle. So I'll be back in court on Friday to see if Eric Holder shows up. I'll be back with another update. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you think is going on with the Eric Holder case. What are your views and opinions on this case? And thanks again for checking out Street TV.